Blessings. This evening, I have compiled a list of stories, so stick around for the news in detail. In the meantime, if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro. Soon forward. And as we head on over to the Garden parish of St. Anne, the police are reporting success in bringing alleged robbers to justice, to court. They are reporting that several people are before the parish court in connection with a significant increase in robberies since the start of the year. Senior Superintendent Dwight Powell, commanding officer for the St. Anne Police, said the robberies were being committed by bikers and individuals posing as taxi operators. While he was addressing the St. Anne Municipal Corporation monthly meeting on Thursday, SSP Powell said there have been 84 cases of robbery reported up to November 10, compared with 40 for the same period last year. But he reported significant strides in terms of arrests in relation to these robberies.
We are seeing an increase in robberies of about 44 million cases when compared to last year. Significantly though, I want to indicate to Council that we have been making some significant stride in terms of arrests for these robberies. So as we speak, we were having some challenges with some bikers, and I'm pleased to report to Council that we managed to have some significant breakthrough. So we have some of the bikers in custody, and they are facing the court answering numerous robbery charges. We have also some successes with those who were going around in taxis robbing people. We have made some arrests in those. And so we have been watching a few domestic conflict situations across Brownstown, Orange Hill, across Windsor, across Steertown, across Highland. And so those situations, the police, we are doing what is necessary to mitigate those incidents of conflict, violence.
And as he outlined that they have some of the bikers in custody and they are facing the court concerning numerous robbery charges, they have also had some successes with those who are going around in taxi robbing people. And as we take a look at murders, SSP Powell said murders in St. Anne have increased by 7%, with 55 recorded for the period under review. He noted that most of the incidents were related to domestic disputes, but said the police are doing what is necessary to mitigate those situations. And just to name a few of the places, SSP Powell said several incidents were reported in Brownstown, Orange Hill, Windsor, Pineapple, and Steertown. Still in the parish of St. Anne, now we're at the scene of an unexpected event where a woman was pronounced in a crash. The Accident Investigation and Reconstruction Unit at Area 2 headquarters and the St. Anne Police Traffic Department are trying to determine what caused the collision that claimed the life of a woman on the Landover Main Road early Friday morning. The deceased is 21-year-old Keisha Daly of a Sandy Bay, Hanover address. It was reported that around 6 a.m. a tractor trailer was traveling westerly towards Montego Bay, collided with a Toyota Voxy traveling in the opposite direction. Ms. Daly was thrown from the Toyota Voxy on impact. She was pronounced dead at the hospital, while the driver of the Voxy was hospitalized in serious condition. The driver of the trailer was unarmed as expected. And due to the recent spike in road fatalities, we are going to take a look at some statistics. The tally is now over 400. Jamaica has surpassed the 400 mark since the start of the year in road fatalities, and that's according to the Road Safety Unit. In its latest report, the RSU indicated that 4 persons were pronounced due to collision between Thursday and Friday morning, bringing the tally to 401. The latest incident was the one I spoke about just now, involving 21-year-old Keisha Daly on Friday morning. And some hours earlier, around 3 a.m., 2 JDF soldiers succumbed in a collision along Hollope Road in St. Andrew. And Thursday, 17-year-old Shaquille McLean was also pronounced in a next collision along Cheapside Main Road in Junction, St. Elizabeth. Speaking in an interview with the media on Friday morning, the Vice Chairman of the NRSC, Dr. Lucian Jones, said the lives that were lost are other indication of the national crisis facing the country. So leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. And as we take a look at St. Andrew, 2 alleged life takers or undertakers are now freed after almost 4 years behind bars. They are 2 men from Augustown, and they spent almost 4 years behind bars for a life that was taken. That act was committed in 2019. They were freed on Thursday when they appeared before the Home Circuit Court. Marvin Markland, otherwise called Papa, and his co-accused, his accomplice Philip Thomas, otherwise called Phil, were tried before a judge without a jury. They were charged for the erasal of Omar Johnson, otherwise called Fix-It, also of Augustown. And during the trial, which began on August 12th, the prosecution led evidence that on January 1, 2019, around 6 a.m., Markland and Thomas were among a group of men who shot Mr. Johnson, who was later pronounced. The incident occurred along Peyton Place. The prosecution's main witness gave evidence that he was able to see the entire incident as it unfolded by looking through his zinc fence. So during an analysis of the evidence, the trial judge was of the view that the witness was materially discredited. And I'll say no more. I want to pick sense out of nonsense. Then leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. Jaja God. And as we stood our grounds, at least 3 children are among a number of people who were left homeless yesterday afternoon after a large fire gutted several houses at the intersection of Fleet and Tower Street in central Kingston. Public Relations Officer at the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Emilio Ebanks, told the media that firefighters responded to a call at 12:52 p.m. Units from the Half a Tree, Rollington Town, York Park and Trenchtown Fire Station responded to the blaze. Mr. Ebanks said there has been no reports of injury or anyone losing their life among the 3 children and 5 adults who lived at the location.
We responded with 3 units. On arrival, we saw dwelling house engulfed in flames. At this time, the reports we're getting is that 5 adults and 3 children have been left homeless as a result of the blaze. We haven't got any reports of injuries and or deaths. As it is now, we still have 1 unit on location, even though the fire has been extinguished, but we're just doing some mopping up. And we have investigators on the scene trying to ascertain the cause of the fire.
On your display at the moment is 17-year-old Natalia Murray of her Augustown address. She was last seen yesterday morning leaving home for school in her school uniform. And it's not a case where she has not been heard from since, because family members kept on calling her device. However, it rang without an answer. So her father called her using a different number from what she knew, and she answered the phone politely, and upon recognizing her father's voice, she hung up the phone, and all the incoming calls to that number was declined on several other attempts to reach her. So I guess she is somewhere she may consider safe with someone who is trying to make her feel comfortable. But it's just a trick. All they're trying to do, all they're doing is enjoying the free benefits of her body, while they exercise some form of appeasing benevolence just to secure a spot between her legs and nothing else, because they don't care one bit about her well-being. So anyone knowing the whereabouts is being asked to call the nearest police station or even send me a message on WhatsApp and that is my number on your display. So always remember to leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. Most importantly, remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm, blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.